Tabby, my cat's missing. Can you help find him?
Which cat is yours?
The one you always fight with.
Dummy, got it. Go home and wait for news. Let's follow the scent.
Hey, beautiful.
Huh?
Tabby.
Well, you little runaway. You're flirting with my girl again.
Meow, it's you again.
Come with me.
Tabby, spare me.
Go home, you.
Jax, you're finally back.
Mom.
Thank you, Tabby.
Keep an eye on your silly son.
What? Wow, now the whole cat world knows I got beaten and dragged home.